Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about main highlights of the Trans-Siberian Marathon, which you could join next summer. This tour has two options. In one we ride from Moscow to Vladivostok, and in the other we go back from Vladivostok to Moscow. They are identical in program, but I will tell you about the one starting from Moscow, if you don't mind. Our Trans-Siberian Marathon starts with a pleasant walking sightseeing tour around Moscow with a nice local guide Daria. You will see the Kremlin, Red Square, GUM and Metro. I have also prepared something special for you, a photo shoot with Stepan, the real Russian bear, or a cruise on the Moscow River on a luxury yacht Redison. In the next days we will see Kremlins in Nizhniy Novgorod and Kazan, where Kul Sharif, the biggest mosque in Russia, is located. Next, Ural Mountains and Ijevsk are waiting you. It is a place where famous AK-47s Kalashnikov rifle are being produced. We will visit an armory museum and shooting range, where you will try AK-47s in action. The next stop is a Kungur and its Ice Cave, a legendary geological karst cave discovered by Peter the Great. We will cross the border between Europe and Asia and take pictures near the legendary monument. We will ride to Arbat, motherland of Russian motorcycles Ural. We will visit a motorcycles factory, museum and take a mind-blowing test drive of Ural motorcycles with sidecars. Next, our adventure will pass through Siberia. On the day of rest in Krasnoyarsk, we will hike in the real Siberian Taiga in the Stolby Natural Reserve. Then we will be on the Great Lake Baikal, the deepest lake on planet Earth, 1642 meters. By the way, this is 19% of all the fresh water in the world. We will rest a couple of days on the Altai Island, the most beautiful place of Baikal. It is difficult to describe the beauty that awaits us. Amazing combination of pristine beauty of nature with local boreal culture and shamanism. Here we will enjoy a tour on a Russian jeep, bukhanka, and a cruise on a ship on Lake Baikal. After that, we will go along the picturesque road to the foot of the Sayan mountains. If in the western part of Russia we saw Orthodox churches, then beyond Baikal we will explore the amazing Buddhist temple in Ulan-Ude and Chita. Also, we will ride through the west forests and steppes, enjoy stunning panoramic views. We will see the Far East with our own eyes, lush greenery, hills and beautiful cities, Blagoveshchensk and Khabarovsk. Our journey will end on the Pacific Ocean coast in Vladivostok. This is a young but very interesting city. We will explore the defense fort and museum submarine. We will try mouth-watering Far Eastern crab in the best restaurant in the city. Of course, if to tell you about all the sites, it will take several hours. Therefore, I will limit myself only to these basic facts. I will be happy to be your guide in this stunning motorcycle adventure of a lifetime. Come ride with me!